You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two expressions correctly in English, those two abbreviations, let's call them. If you want to learn more English vocabulary, make sure to stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. You should watch and listen to carefully. Top abbreviation is for could have. Could have. Instead of saying I could have, you could say could have. Could have. Could have. Oh, yesterday I could have been to the swimming pool. Could have. I could have been to the swimming pool. Now the bottom word is would have. I would have done. Had I known, I would have done that. Would have. Now, I would also add should have. It's the same. Could have, would have, should have is how to pronounce those in English. Did you get this? Was this any useful? Can you use those pronunciations? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.